Hi, this is Mahi Jain from MJF Fashion. For you we bring brand plus deals, which makes great offers. So, New Year brought you new joy. And we are here to announce our very new stage for resellers. Presenting you exclusive MJF creations. As you know, trend seems to change, so we are back with all new, premium and latest collection which will be uploaded here. But here is something different. All the membership in this brand will be paid. That is, you have to join with some minimal amount. All the products which are uploaded in this brand will be exclusive and also beneficial to our resellers in terms of price, quality and demand. And you get benefits like lowest price, happy discount of 100 rupees, served first, best quality to be given. We assure your parcel security and safely delivered to you or to your client without any delay with 100% secure courier services. For more details, you can mail us at 143mjfashion@gmail.com. Thank you, Team MJF.